right now, and my kitchen just needs a really good clean. So here it is. Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this very much needed fall reorganizing video. So my house just needs a huge sweep through. It needs to be decluttered. I have like so many random bags sitting around that are just filled with stuff that either needs to be donated or put away or thrown away. So I figured today I would make a video all about how I'm just reorganizing and decluttering my house for this upcoming season. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little stressed right now because I'm actually going to the USA tomorrow. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Adrienne, I'm 25, I live in South Korea. I moved here 3 years ago, but my hometown is Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm going back tomorrow for a few weeks. And I have this thing where if I travel, I have to leave my house in a clean state. So I have literally only today to turn this cluttered, messy place into something beautiful and clean. So yeah, that is what today's video is gonna be all about. Besides the bags that I have just scattered around my house, I have a couple of other like goals. So first thing I wanna do is put away my summer clothes, or just clothes that I'm not wearing that much. And I got some of these bags that I can put them all in, so I'm gonna be doing that in this video. And then also I need a really good kitchen clean. Hello, Cleo. Hello, are you gonna help me? Oh yes, you can help me. So yeah, I feel like my kitchen just needs some organizing, and then I also have some closets that can use organizing. So I got some acrylic organizers that I'm gonna try my best to use in the kitchen. And then once again, like my closets, I need to organize those. I want to use these for something in my kitchen. So yeah, I did buy some stuff that will hopefully help us out. So because I'm on a little bit of a time crunch, the way I'm gonna do this video is I'm just gonna kind of set my camera up, do my own thing, and then I'm gonna update you guys sporadically, and hopefully that works out well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, let me know and I'll do more of these. And let's just go ahead and get started. All right, are you guys ready to see something really bad? This is my closet. I don't know why it always gets like this. I don't know why. We need to clear this out, get rid of some stuff, keep some stuff. We're gonna figure it out. Alright, so all of this stuff is to be kept. I cleaned out a ton of stuff, but I want to keep all this stuff. But in order for me to keep this, I need to make space for it. And this, okay, I have these two drawers. I swear I never open these, which means that all of the clothes in these are pretty much useless. So I'm gonna donate a lot of these, and hopefully they go to a good home. It's all stuff that's in really good condition, but I just simply don't wear it. Alright, so let's see if we can figure out how to use this. Oh, what we got? Whoa, these are huge. Wow, this is my first time to use one of these, and I did not realize how well they work. Oh my gosh, all those clothes just shrunk like this. This is such a game changer, I love it. All right, I am so proud of how this closet turned out. It actually didn't even take me that long because I didn't take any breaks. I just did it straight through. So here it is. Everything has been decluttered. And yeah, I'm just keeping a few pairs of jeans, and then literally all I wear are just like simple sweatshirts and then these little button-ups. So that is pretty much everything that I have. And then here's some summer stuff. I need to give this back to my boyfriend. And I'm deciding if I should take this on my trip or not. And then down here, I keep it super simple. I do have down there just like my favorite lounge pants that I just want to keep in reach. And then up there, this still needs to be organized, but that's not going to take long. So I'm going to do that in a little bit. And then let me show you the drawers. Ta-da! So I need a better way to organize t-shirts, but this is going to work for now. I need to learn the rolling technique, but this is what we have going on now. It's a huge improvement from what it was like before. And then down here I have bikinis, and these do technically need to go into storage. I'm deciding if I should store them or not because I might need them at some point this winter for a certain event I'm going to. And then just like panties, socks, more loungewear. So huge progress. My mind feels so much more clear. And this is a trash pile. These clones are like stained and not donatable. And then this whole bag is getting donated. So I need to post this online right now and put it outside my house. All right, so we are now going to attempt to tackle the kitchen. I feel like my kitchen just needs a really good deep clean in like the nooks and the crannies. And then tonight we're gonna do the closets. I'm gonna try and convince my boyfriend to help me with that just because it's the type of thing that is so much easier to do when there's two people. But anyways, got my gloves on, and then I'm just gonna use this tile cleaner. That usually helps a lot. It's like a cleaner bleach, and then I like to finish it off with like a lemon spray. It kind of gives the place a better smell. Oh yeah.
If you don't eat...
I eat it all the time.
All the time?
In my smoothies. Really? Like half the bag is gone.
Okay. Ramen.
You can take that.
What?
You can take that.
Okay.
Because it's like pointless ramen. There's no seasoning. Alright, so I wanted to stop and do a little update. Things are actually going really well. It's amazing how much you can accomplish when you just put your phone down and you make a plan. It actually tends to go accordingly. But I just made a little mini cheese board. This isn't really a cheese board, but I wanted to tell you guys, if you're on a budget and you're into the like charcuterie board scene, use beef jerky. It's a good substitute instead of salami or one of the more expensive meats. And then I also just poured myself a little glass of red wine. My choice of alcohol is definitely wine all the way. So good. You guys have to comment below, are you big wine drinkers? Are you interested in wine? I first got into wine when I was in college. I was working at a really fancy steakhouse, and I actually had to learn about all the different kinds of wine for my job, and that definitely helped me gain a whole new appreciation. And then these days in Korea, there are so many cute little wine shops opening, so I definitely feel like I have a bigger variety of wine now compared to what I had when I moved here 3 years ago. And speaking of wine, this video is actually sponsored by one of my favorite brands, which is Bright Cellars. If you guys are not familiar, Bright Cellars is an online service that matches the customer with a bunch of vineyards all around the country, a bunch of small vineyards, and you can basically go on their website, take a quiz based off what your preferences are, whether you want sweet, dry, what kind of foods you want to mix your wine with, and they will curate the perfect box for you and send you those wines in the mail. Each box also comes with a tasting card that pretty much outlines like what you can expect from each bottle, as well as what you should pair it with to have the best experience possible. Bright Cellars is also a sustainable company, so not only is their packaging 100% recyclable, but they also work work with specifically sustainable brands. So as I said, this is a service that sends boxes of wine in the mail, but what's great is you don't have to commit to having a box sent to you every single month. You can pick and choose when you want to get one, and what I like to personally do is use this service as gifts. So I just sent one to my mom a few weeks ago, and then 2 of my best friends are getting married this upcoming month, and I'm sending them both one as kind of like a pre-wedding gift. And you guys, I have the best deal for you. So right now, if you use my link in the description, you can get your first box with 6 bottles for only $55. And if you guys are wine people, or even if you're not a wine person, you probably would realize that's a really good deal. And that is including shipping. So only $55 for 6 bottles of high quality wine. It is such a good deal. So I will have their link down in the description below if you want to check them out. Thank you so much, Bright Sellers, for sponsoring this video. As you guys know, sponsors are super important to help keep my channel going. So I really appreciate it. And as I said, the link to Bright Sellers will be down in the description below. All right, so I got rid of a ton of my seasonings and spices that I'm just not using. So I've really minimized on that, and it feels really good. And now I'm just going to put them back up. As you can see, I got these amazing little shelves that I'm hoping will help keep things less cluttered. So let's put it all together. Girl. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for my reorganizing my house for fall video. I actually managed to get everything done given the small amount of time that I was working with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was obviously just kind of like a mini episode, but if you want to see more, just let me know. I'm actually heading to the airport now. I'm running a little bit behind, so I had to make this farewell quick, but I love you guys. I will see you very soon in my next video, and thank you again for watching. Bye!